Whether you're in healthcare, manufacturing, or a laboratory environment, choosing the right gloves is essential to ensure you have the best comfort, protection, and hygiene at the right cost. Hi, I'm Julia, and we'll be taking a closer look at the attributes of the different types of gloves. Absorbable dusting powder, such as cornstarch, is the most common lubricant used in powdered gloves, and they are the easiest to don. They are very white and pleasant looking, with very good physical properties. However, studies suggest that glove powder can potentially cause a number of problems, such as irritation by drying of skin, infection to open wounds, contamination of laboratory samples, and allergy reaction by inhaling powder that carries latex protein. Chlorination process is an alternative to powder lubricant in powder-free gloves. It reduces tackiness, thus creating a slippery surface that allows the hand to glide easily into the glove. The extra washing performed during chlorination process provides an added benefit by decreasing the level of soluble natural latex proteins that can reduce the risk of latex allergy reaction. If hands are dry, powder-free gloves may be donned quite easily without the problems commonly found in powdered gloves. Natural rubber latex gloves, or frequently referred to as latex gloves, are made from a milky fluid harvested from a rubber tree. Its elasticity and tensile strength is second to none, and its soft and stretchy properties make it an ideal material to fit any palm shape and size. Latex gloves are a popular choice among many types of medical treatment and facilities. The benefits are really worth noting if latex allergy is not a concern. Nitrile gloves are made from synthetic man-made rubber. Initially stiff, inflexible, and expensive, new technologies are able to emulate the properties of latex. Nitrile gloves have many advantages over latex, such as resistance to oils, solvents, acids, and a broad range of chemicals. Nitrile gloves are the superior glove when it comes to puncture resistance. More importantly, nitrile gloves provide a safe alternative to latex-sensitive individuals. Latex allergy can be a serious issue in the health sector. Our hands are the most important tool in preventing healthcare-associated infections. Every day, medical practitioners and patients are susceptible to high-risk infectious disease exposure. Therefore, it is crucial that they are given reliable protection to prevent cross-contamination. Why Glove On? Glove On is known for producing the best quality gloves in the industry, utilising the most innovative production capabilities that exist today. To ensure you have the best in hand, Glove On gloves are manufactured in strict compliance to ISO 13485 and good manufacturing practice. Our gloves meet or exceed internationally recognised standards such as ASTM, ISO and EN. Glove On gloves have also been tested for food contact, chemical permeation and biocompatibility tests. Coupled with its innovative design, tactility and comfort, Glove On remains as one of the most trusted brands for gloves worldwide. For more information on finding the right gloves, visit www.gloveonglobal.com.